This guide breaks down the Louisiana Notary Exam, the toughest notary test in the United States. A Louisiana Notary Exam is famously difficult, with typical pass rates falling between just 16 and 24%. This isn't an accident, it's by design. Louisiana is the only U.S. state with a civil law system based on French and Spanish traditions, not the common law used everywhere else. This grants Louisiana notaries quasi-judicial, attorney-like authority to draft major legal documents. Because the stakes are so high, the exam is intentionally rigorous, testing legal knowledge at a professional level. So why pursue such a difficult commission? Because the rewards are substantial. Once you pass, you hold the office for life, subject only to bond renewal. You gain statewide jurisdiction and the authority to prepare authentic acts, sales, mortgages, and even notarial testaments, work reserved for attorneys in other states. This scarcity and power create high earning potential. The low pass rate isn't just a barrier, it's what preserves the credential's immense value for those who earn it. Let's break down the exam itself. It's a 4-hour, computer-based test. And while it is open book, allowing you to bring the official 2026 study guide, don't mistake that for easy. The questions are heavily scenario-based, requiring you to find and apply the correct rule under intense time pressure. Furthermore, passing requires a scaled score of 70 out of 100, not a simple percentage. This format tests true comprehension, not just rote memorization of facts. Here is a critical step that many first-time candidates miss: the mandatory pre-assessment. Before you can even register for the $100 state exam, you must complete a separate $30 notary exam pre-assessment, which is graded by LSU. It is purely a diagnostic tool. There is no minimum score required to proceed. However, failing to complete it will cost you an entire exam cycle. Get this done first. It never expires. And finishing it early ensures you can register for your preferred exam date without delay. To succeed, you must master topics unique to Louisiana's civil law. The exam heavily weights successions, including concepts like forced heirship, the legitimy, and usufruct, which do not exist in common law states. You must also know the precise requirements for an authentic act, signed before a notary and 2 witnesses, versus an act under private signature. Other key areas include matrimonial regimes, donations, and mortgages. Relying on generic, out-of-state notary materials is a recipe for failure. Your study must be Louisiana-specific. A passing score requires a disciplined study plan. Most successful candidates report investing 120 to 150 hours over 3 to 4 months. The single most important strategy for the open book format is to create a robust tabbing and indexing system for your official study guide as you learn the material. Your goal on exam day isn't to know every answer from memory, but to be able to locate and apply the correct rule in seconds. Practice with timed, scenario-based questions to build this critical skill. You can pass the Louisiana Notary Exam. It requires focus and the right strategy, but the reward is a valuable, lifelong commission. Our free study guide and practice questions are built specifically for the 2026 Civil Law Exam. They cover everything from authentic acts to successions. Click the link in the description to start your free prep today. Test your knowledge with scenario-based questions and build the confidence to succeed.